where this started was we did the Takamutua Wharf first and then came here. Community wanted to do this wharf and met with community people, and this looked like a very, very difficult project. I had designed a scheme for how we could form a platform between the piers so that we could get to the bearers that ran each side. We got the timbers, brought them here, we lay them on their flat straight between the piers, and it worked without me having to put the plywood timber on top. So by fluke we came up with actually a better solution. But the beauty of it was that we actually formed a platform that it was safe for 10 people to be on, and all in line, and enable us to lift over very heavy timbers and replace the ones that were there. We're lucky that the council helped us so much with flexibility with some of the details, because they had done the original design for the details, and they modified those to help us out so that we could work from here going down rather than having to be underneath it, which would be more what a commercial contractor would do.
With having people lifting, it was going to be too heavy, so by altering the design slightly so that it's still durable, still strong enough, but still being able to be manhandled, made the project much more successful, which we had to do this with just manual labour. Time-wise, yeah, there was every month here was working bees, and different people would come at different times, which made it fun. As Kevin said, it was a community project, so we didn't hammer the same people every time. There was a core group, and from people not knowing exactly what to do, they all became very confident in what they were doing.
Yes, so in terms of the cost savings, using the volunteers, if we were to get commercial guys in there, it'd be relocating a barge, typically with some lifting equipment. You'd have a crew of at least 4 guys, probably here for sort of a day's setup, a day installing the beam, a day to de-rig. So that is why it's all so expensive. But we compare that to the cost of paying for the materials and having sort of 10 of the local volunteers getting involved here, and we achieve the same outcome in a safe manner.
We actually got commercial prices. The contractor who was doing the pile work was one of those that was pricing this work, and this was going to be a $30,000 exercise, basically to replace a couple of the bearers right out at this end. We took over that project, and in a day, because of the skills we had learnt previously, and because we had developed systems, we had the gear to do this, we took a day to do that. So material-wise, yes, we probably spent a few $1,000s. Labour-wise, we spent a day working hard on it, but we saved probably $25,000 in the process.